Hello listeners, welcome to today's video lesson. In today's video lesson, we will discuss about the introduction parts of geography for grade 11. As you know, the science of geography for grade 11 have 4 chapters. So in today's video lesson, we will discuss the objectives of all 4 chapters. Therefore, the first chapter deals about the meaning and the concept of geography, the scope of geography, the major thoughts in geography as well as approaches in geography. And the last topic is the relationship between geography with others. In this chapter, we will discuss deals about the concept and the meanings of geography. Different scholars give different definitions for geography with different time scale. Then all definitions are the same concepts, but the oldest definition of geography is the narrow concept of the geography. So we'll see in detail. And the other one, the scopes of geography. In this topic also we'll discuss the scope or the range of geography. In our scope that the range or the widest. Therefore, geography deals about all or major component of the environment. And the other one, approaches in geography. Because of the wideness of the geography, scholars divided the scopes of geography into two approaches. The first approach deals about the regional approach, and the second approach is also systematic or topical approach. And the other one, the major school of thought in geography. As you know, geography have old history. Therefore, this old history have their own implication in the historical development of the geography. Especially, we will see in detail school of possibilism and environmentalism. And the other one, the relationship between geography with other sciences. As you know, geography is the widest subject, therefore geography have what? A relation with other subjects. So we will discuss in detail the relationship between geography with others. And the second topic deals about map reading and interpretation. In this chapter, we will discuss in detail relief representation on a map by using different methods, especially by using contour lines. Drainage on a map and drainage system. The study of human-made features on the map by using different marginal information. We will discuss in detail the marginal information of the map as well as relief structure. And the other one, geographical information system or GIS. Those are the major topics under Unit 2. And Unit 3 deals about geography of Africa. This is the core points for geography of Africa. In this chapter, we'll discuss about the overview of physical geography of Africa. Geography of Africa includes positions of Africa, size of Africa, shape of Africa, and regional division of Africa. Right? Africa is the second largest continent in the world. Africa is a unique continent because Africa is crossed by the prime meridian and the equator. Equator classified or divided Africa or the region of Africa relatively in equal position, south and north. Prime meridian also passes through Africa, which is run from north to east. And also, Capricorn line and Cancer line also pass through Africa. Therefore, Africa is the only continent which are crossed by those imaginary lines. Therefore, Africa is the unique continent which has what? 4 hemispheres: northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, and western hemisphere. Africa is also the hottest region because Africa or all parts of Africa or 75% of Africa lies in between the lines of Capricorn and Cancer. Therefore, those regions are also known as hot region. So we'll discuss in detail such kinds of information about Africa. The position of Africa. We'll discuss in detail the position of Africa. The position of Africa also expressed in two ways: absolute location and relative location. And the other point is the shapes of Africa. By understanding north to south and east to west, absolute location, we can identify the shapeness of the country or the compactness of the country or a region. Therefore, Africa have relatively compact shape. And the other point, the geological history of Africa. In this topic also, we'll discuss about the geological history of Africa. Geological history. There are more than 4.6 billion years according to the geological events. So these 4.5 billion years also have four major geological time scale, which is called era. Therefore, we'll discuss about each geological events and biological events within Africa. And the other point is the regional division of Africa. Based on the physical elements and economic activity, Africa have 5 major regional divisions: North Africa, South Africa, East Africa, and West Africa. The last one is Central Africa. So we will discuss in detail each regional division of Africa. And the other points, the climates of Africa. There are different climate regions in Africa because of its location. So we will discuss in detail the climates of Africa. Especially Africa is crossed by those two lines or found into between Capricorn and Cancer line. So that line is also indicates the temperature region. And the other one, drainage in Africa, the drainage systems in Africa. There are 4 drainage systems in Africa. By understanding the river have source and endpoints. Therefore, by understanding those source and endpoints of the river, we have 4 drainage systems in Africa: the Indian drainage system, the Mediterranean drainage system, Atlantic Ocean drainage system, and inland drainage system. So we will see in details. And the other points, the natural vegetation and wild animal distribution in Africa. Because of its climate diversity, because of its largeness, Africa have a diverse relief structure as well as wildlife distribution. So we will see in detail these points. And the last one, soils of Africa. There are different types of soil in Africa as well as in the world. So we will discuss each types of soils in Africa, and the importance of soil, textures of soil, soil conservation methods, and soil degradation. And the last chapter deals about population, economy, and natural resources of Africa. This chapter deals about aspects of population, economy, and natural resources of Africa. Population of Africa and the relative regions. Economy of Africa, the most dominant economic activity in Africa and the impacts of economic growth and development. We will discuss in detail. And the points that indicate the developing region and developed region will be discussed in this time. The size of population, growth of population, and other demographic characteristics will be discussed in this chapter. Natural resources of Africa and its politics. This is the last chapter for grade 11 geography. So those are the major points under geography of grade 11. In the next video, we will start from chapter 1, the concept and the meanings of geography. Until that, have a nice time. Goodbye.